Hey everyone! In this video, we'll fix an issue many people face. The JBL Quantum 100M2 microphone not working. If your headset only plays sound, but the mic doesn't pick up, follow along step by step. First, check your Windows sound settings. Go to the bottom right of your screen, right-click the sound icon, and select Sound Settings. Scroll down and open more sound settings. In the new window, switch to the Recording tab. Here, look for your JBL Quantum device. It should appear as a microphone labeled JBL Quantum or something similar. Right-click on it, choose Properties, and make sure it isn't disabled. In Properties, go to the Listen tab and check the box that says Listen to this device. This lets you hear what the mic is picking up through your speakers or headset, so you'll know immediately if it's working. Next, go to the Levels tab. Increase the mic volume to somewhere between 80 and 100 and make sure the mute icon isn't active. If the mic is muted here, it won't work in games or apps. Under the Advanced tab, check the audio quality. If it's set to the lowest tape recorder quality, switch it to CD or DVD quality, then click Apply and OK. Now, return to the main sound settings. Under Input, make sure the JBL Quantum microphone is selected as your default input device. If another mic is active, apps won't detect the right one. If the mic still isn't working, open Device Manager. Search for it in the Start menu, then expand Audio Inputs and Outputs. Find your JBL microphone, right-click, and choose Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers and let Windows check. If updating doesn't fix it, try disabling and re-enabling the device. Right-click, choose Disable Device, confirm, then right-click again and choose Enable Device. This refresh often clears up minor bugs. If none of these steps solve the issue, the problem could be hardware related. Try plugging the headset into a different port or another computer to test. If the mic still doesn't respond, you may need to reach out to JBL support for repair or replacement options. And that's it. Those are the steps to fix a JBL Quantum 100M2 mic that isn't working. Usually adjusting sound settings or updating drivers solves it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching.